Guys, today I got something new. I just got my Zippo in from repair. I didn't make a video of sending it, but it's okay. I already opened it, but whatever. Okay. What's inside? There's a note. That guy's face on it. Whoever that is. See if I can open it. I have no idea what it says. Anyways, that's the note. I'm not gonna read it. Who cares about that? Anyways. This was my broken lighter. Let's see that. I tried to bend it to fix it. But it didn't work. Yeah, I tried to fix this and it didn't work. Here's the repair number, Zippo. Here's the lighter that I repaired. 2009. It came with the back sticker on it. I have no clue why, but whatever. So we'll see what they did to it. So looks like they gave me a brand new insert. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. And they tightened the hinge too. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye. Look at it.